In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Razer app for mouse and keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to razer.com. Now, once we're inside of here, we want to hover our mouse over PC and then under Explore, scroll down and click on the software. Then from here under Explore, we need to go ahead and click onto Razer Synapse. Now, as it states here, so you can customize all your Razer devices from one powerful platform. Whether you're remapping buttons, creating macros, or fine-tuning performance settings, Synapse provides every tool you need to personalize your gear to your play style. So basically from here, we can download for Windows. So this is Windows 11, Windows 10, and also download for Mac as well. So I'm going to click on download for Windows. Now it's going to start downloading. Now once it finishes download, we want to go ahead and run the exe file, and that's going to download and install Razer Synapse, which is basically your Razer app for your mouse and keyboard, where you can customize all of this stuff here. So let me go ahead and install this. So I'm going to click onto it. Then you want to click yes. Now I'm just going to minimize this to make it a bit easier to see. Okay, so you should have a window that looks like this. So it says getting things ready. Okay, so from here, go ahead and click on continue. Alright, now we've got to open, so it says Razer Gaming Software. Now from here, it should be at the top here. So it says here Razer Synapse 4. So to the right, it's 153 megabytes. So we need to go ahead and click on install. If you want to include Razer Chrome app, you can as well, but I'm not going to for this demonstration. So I'm going to click on to install. Now you might get a pop-up saying level up your game. You can install the Razer Cortex if you want, but I'm just going to skip this. So as you can see, this is going to go ahead and download the software. So I'm going to give that a few moments to load and get back to this video once it's finished downloading. And when it's downloading, you can see a little progress bar. It's very small, but you can see it's going around in a circle, that little green bar there. Now, if it's successfully installed, it will say system restarter required. This installation requires a reboot. So go ahead and click on restart, and then from there, you've successfully installed your Razer app for your mouse and keyboard.